Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this is our still chapter 6, acid, base and salt. So this is part 6, concentration of aqueous solution. In this subtopic, you're going to have a calculation on number of mole and concentration in mole per dm cube and gram per dm cube. Okay, let's continue. 6.5, concentration of aqueous solution. The concentration of solution determines the amount of solute dissolved in a given volume of solution. We have solute here. Okay, solvent. Here is the solvent. Okay, and solution. Okay, firstly, what is solute? Okay, if you have air Milo, okay, I give you a very easy example. Air Milo. So what is the solute in air Milo? Solute is the Milo. MLO. So what is the solvent? Of course, the air or the water itself. So what is the solution? Air Milo. Bubuk ais, bubuh straw. Sedapnya. Okay, air Milo. So I hope you understand what is solute, what is solvent, and what's its solution. Okay, so we have three formula here. Okay, the first one, when you calculate the concentration in gram per dm cube. Okay, for me, you just follow the formula. We have grams, which is the mass of the solute, and dm cube, which is volume of the solution. 1 dm cube actually equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, 1000 centimeter cube. 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So if you have centimeter cube in your questions, convert it first into decimeter cube. Okay. Next one, we have molarity, concentration in mole per dm cube. Okay, concentration in mole per dm cube. Mole per dm cube. So from the units, we know that mole is the number of mole over volume. Okay. Oh, this is how you convert from gram per dm cube into mole per dm cube. Okay. So if you have gram per dm cube in the questions and you want to convert it into mole per dm cube, you just divide it into gram per mole. What is gram per mole? Gram per mole is molar mass. Molar mass is RMM, RFM, or RAM. Okay, depends on your substance. Okay, so just divide it into RMM. If you have gram per dm cube, and convert it into mole per dm cube. Reversely, if you have mole per dm cube, and the question asks you to convert it into gram per dm cube, so what should you do? Yes, you just times with the molar mass. Okay, mole per dm cube times with the molar mass, and you will get the concentration. It is the basic mathematical calculation. Okay, next one, molarity. Okay, last formula is mole per dm cube, and from the formula you will know that it is a mole, which is number of mole of the solute divided by the volume, and it should be in dm cube. Okay, the most, I don't think it is the most, but those three formula very important in our calculation is chapter in this subtopic. Okay, calculation of the concentration or molarity of acid and alkali. Okay, let us see the first questions. 12 gram of potassium hydroxide dissolved in water to produce 250 centimeter cube. Okay, you will see here. This is centimeter cube. I give you the idea. At the first place, you have to convert centimeter cube into decimeter cube because the question asks you about gram per dm cube. Okay, gram is settled, which is the mass of potassium hydroxide, because the question asks you about concentration in gram per dm cube. Okay, let us see the step to calculate. Okay, the first one, you have to convert the centimeter cube into decimeter cube by divide it into 1000 because 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1000. Okay, 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, next one, concentration in gram per dm cube. So if you would like to write the formula, yes, the formula can help you, but it does not necessary in exams. Let's put the numbers. Okay, 12 grams divided by 0.25 decimeter cube, you will get 48 gram per decimeter cube. And don't forget to put the unit. Without the unit, your answer will be wrong. So it is an essential to put the unit. Okay, next one. You can see another 3 questions. I need you to try to calculate it. I just give you the answer. I'll help you to understand the questions. 0.25 mole sodium hydroxide dissolved in water to produce 200 centimeter cube, and again you have to revert the centimeter cube into decimeter cube. Divide it into 1000 and you will get 1 decimeter cube. And we have mole here already, so just divide the mole into the with the decimeter cube. Okay, and this is your answer for references. Next one, number 3. Okay, the answer has been given at the bottom. The molarity of hydrochloric acid is 0.2 mole per dm cube. What is the concentration of the solution in gram per dm cube? And again, you have to use you got to use the second formula. Okay, I'll give you a little bit easier for memorize the formula. Okay, this formula okay, you already memorized this formula. RMM. Okay, oh my god. Okay, so number of mole. If you have number of mole is mole. Okay, mole here. Okay, this is number of mole. Okay, wait. Okay, mole here. So we assume this is just like the number of mole. Okay, the question asks you about gram per dm cube. Gram. Okay, gram per dm cube, which is the mass. Okay, so what should you do with 0.2? It's just times with the molecular mass. That's why the RAM for hydrogen and chlorine were given from in the questions. Calculate the RMM for hydrochloric acid first, then times number of mole with the RMM. You will get the answer. Okay, try it yourself first. Okay, next one. 2.5 gram of calcium hydroxide given to you is the mass. This is the mass of the calcium. Okay, this is the mass of calcium hydroxide, and 50 centimeter cube is the volume of the solution. Question asks you to calculate the molarity. Okay, molarity should be in mole per dm cube. So first, calculate the mole, the number of mole first by using the magic triangle number 2 actually, like the previous magic triangle. 2.5. Calculate the number of mole first, then divide into the volume, and don't forget to convert the volume from centimeter cube to decimeter cube. The relationship between the number of moles of solute with the molarity and volume of a solution. Okay, this is another formula, whereas the molarity is equal to number of mole divided by volume of solution. Okay, make it simple. Actually, the last formula is the most important formula. Okay, this is just telling you the formula is produced from the concept of molarity, mole over decimeter cube, which is the volume of the solution. So N is equal to mv over 1000. M is the molarity in mole per dm cube. V is the volume. It should be in centimeter cube. Okay, That's why we have 1000 here to convert centimeter cube into decimeter cube. If the questions ask you already in decimeter cube, you don't have to divide by 1000. This is a formula to calculate number of mole. Okay, the first one, exercise, calculate number of mole of potassium hydroxide, 600 centimeter cube. What is 600? It is the volume. And remember, centimeter cube. Okay, you have to convert into decimeter cube. But it's already in the formula, N equal to mv over 1000. Okay, capital M, okay, over 1000. Okay, the 1000 is so bad. Okay. Okay, so 0.1 mole per m cube is the molarity. So you have M, you have V. So just put the value inside the formula. Okay, this is the way how you calculate it. Okay, and you will get 0.06 mole as your final answer. Okay, one step calculation, 1 mark. So there is another calculation. I need you to For you to calculate it yourself. I'll give you the final answer, which is 136.8 grams. The question asks you to calculate the mass, so it should be in grams. And given to you is 2 dm cube. What is 2 dm cube? It's the volume. And what is 0.4 mole per dm cube? It is the molarity of barium hydroxide. Do calculate the mass. End of part 6. Thank you.